guys, welcome back to my channel or to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look using the Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. Looks like this. So I am going to be using this palette for most of the makeup on my face today, but the main thing that I'm going to be focusing on is this beautiful blue color right here. It is called Showtime, so this is going to be at the star of the show for this eyeshadow look. I already applied my foundation, applied it off camera because I know that can be kind of boring. I used the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea water foundation, and I am in the shade Light Sand. And then I also did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Maybelline brow tattoo one, something like that. I know they look a little bit too dark, but I didn't want to fix it because that's a lot of energy, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. To start off, for my transition shade, I'm actually going to be using a color from the Jaclyn Hill palette just because I feel like the colors in the Midnight Masquerade palette don't really have any great transition shades. It does have one matte brown shade, but I feel like it's a little bit too dark. So I'm going to be using the shade Pukey in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So now that I've done that shade, I'm going to use the brown shade from the Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm just going to pack this on the outer portion of my eye just to give it some more depth. I'm just going to pack it right there, and then I'm going to try to slowly bring it a little bit inwards into the crease. If you're curious, this shade is called Sneak Peek. So now for the fun part, I'm going to use this beautiful blue color, which is the shade Showtime. I'm just gonna apply this right to the center of the lid. So pretty, so pretty. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and this one is called Exposed. I'm actually gonna use my pinky to apply this just because I want to be able to put it right on the inner corner. Kind of smearing it outwards a little bit. I'm gonna go back into the brown shade, the shade called Sneak Peek right there. I'm gonna use this color as an eyeliner. Honestly, I really should have applied my foundation after I did the eyeshadow, but oh well. So now I'm going to get a little more crazy, and I'm going to go back into the shade Showtime. And I'm actually going to line my lower lash line, but I'm only going to do the outer part of that. Then I'm going to go back into Exposed and put this closer to the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to apply the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer. It's called the Aqua Sealer. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes to try to help that fallout situation. I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply some bronzer. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics bronzer. It is their Ombre Radiance bronzer. Blush, I'm gonna use this pink color here, but I've tried the purple one at the bottom and I really like this one. I think it's so pretty. I haven't tried the pink one yet, which is called Hidden Secrets. Applied a little bit too much blush, but we're just gonna go with it. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the lightest highlighter in the palette, and it is called Twilight. Apply mascara. I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm going to use this brown shade. It is a liquid lipstick by Kat Von D and it's in the shade Bow and Arrow. I got it in this month's BoxyCharm, and I also got the Midnight palette in that box. If you're interested in seeing that video, I will link it in the description box below. So this is the finished look. I hope that you like it. If you did like this video, it would be awesome if you could give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. But other than that, I hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video.